Hi and welcome back to another football show review. Today we are looking at a Rangers away shirt, and this is from the 1992-94 season. Actually, this shirt has some memories for me because I remember buying this one. I want to say it was from like JJB Sports or somewhere like that, but it was in the reduced aisle. So I actually used to wear this shirt quite a lot when I was at school. It was always the one that it was my like go-to shirt, possibly because it had McEwan's Lager on it. Blackburn was sponsored by McEwan's Lager at that time. So it kind of, I think maybe that was the reason I purchased it, because it had the same sponsor as the Blackburn shirt. But I did have this, the original one back in the day, so it'll be good to see this one. Not that I can probably remember exactly how the other one looked, but just memories for me. Very, very good memories. So the shirt itself comes in a standard bag. On the flip side, it is a plain bag on this one. If you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of replica reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I will leave a dhgate link in the description of this video as well for my usual seller. I'm not sure if they have Rangers items or not, but I'll take a look, and if they do, I'll directly link it to that. Otherwise, it will just be their generic items. Like I said, really excited for this one because this has some nostalgia memories for me. So yeah, can't wait to see this one. So what we'll do now is we'll take the shirt out of the bag and let's take a look at the front, the back, the insides, and see what we think to this one. Okay, so we'll start with the front of the shirt, and you've got your traditional like V-neck collar line, and we have Adidas equipment. This is like a velvety texture that's been heat pressed on. I'm trying to remember if this was the size of the original. It just seems a little bit bigger. I could be wrong. On the sleeves, we've got an additional bit of material here, which gives us like the Adidas 3 stripes. And that's been embroidered as part of the join. The Rangers crest, again, if you can hear it, it's like that velvety sort of texture, and that's been heat pressed on. That badge, it just brings back so many memories for me, this shirt does. And we've got the McEwan's Lager, which again is that same sort of velvety texture. It's been pressed on. So these ones though here, they are embossed onto the shirt, so they do stick out quite a bit. So when you're washing it, you want to make sure that you washed them correctly. They'll peel off otherwise. And on this sleeve again, you've got the Adidas embroidered into it, a separate bit of material, the 3 stripes. So this is a separate bit of material to the rest of the shirt. If I put my hand under the shirt, yeah, it's relatively see-through, but the material is shiny as can be. It feels quite nice, to be fair, but it is, yeah, relatively shiny. The join there looks good, and the join on that side looks good as well. Love, love, love this shirt. I'm going to flip it around now and look at the reverse side too. Okay, we're on to the reverse side now, and not really a lot to call out. We've got our collar, so you keep in with the same blue, white and red colours of the shirt. I thought there was a hole there, but it's not, it's just where the material's slightly bent over. The reverse side of our Adidas stripes, if I just pull that out there, you can see quite nicely the 3 stripes. Likewise on this side, you can see them there. Obviously I've got no name and number on this one. I've left the back plain, just how I had the shirt back when I was younger. Very, very nice. I'm trying to think how old I'd have been when I had the shirt. I was really, really young, and it wasn't even in date when I got it. It was came out before, quite a bit before I would have purchased it. But yeah, just remember it being so cheap. You don't get that now with shirts. Once they've been worn and they've gone out of date, they're no longer sold. But back when I was younger, yeah, you could get hold of them. So let's flip it and look at the inside now. Okay, we're into the inside of the shirt now, and you can see there's our collar line. There's like an additional join there. Actually, this is what I was trying to say now. If you see here, the additional bit of material for the Adidas stripes, that's how it's been put together. So yeah, when I was saying there's a separate bit of material, that's what I meant. There's a big bit of cut on there for the join. We've got our tag here, Adidas Performance, Adidas jersey with some barcode on it. Moving down to where the Rangers badge is, that's gone up nicely, and the McEwen's lager, again, very, very smooth. Got the Adidas here, you can't see that because it's on a separate bit of material. We've got the standard washing instructions, a recommendation, especially for this shirt, because you've got these embossed velvety silver items here, is to flip the shirt inside out and do it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry, never put them in a tumble dry, just let them hang dry. The seam, look, they've not cut that one overly well, it's a bit wonky all over. But to be fair, no one's really going to see that. You can see actually where the print, look, the McEwen's lager, that's just a line from where the print's been put on there. But once you've been wearing these shirts, those items will soon disappear. I do love a good retro. Let's flip it around and look at the final part of the inside of this shirt now. Okay, here's the final part. I've got a standard Adidas tag up here with the sizing on. This is a UK XL. I've also got some more washing instructions up there. This is a retro shirt, so if you are an XL, then to be fair, I would just buy a standard XL. Again, look, the cuttings, I've not noticed that on the sleeve, are not perfect. I'm just wondering if that's slightly pulled in a bit there. Let's have a look at this side. If I can get my fingers under it. Yeah, that side looks a little bit better actually. I think what they've done on this one is when they've done the join, look, you can see they've pulled it in a little bit too tight. That's a shame. But really, where are you going to get a retro shirt looking as good as this and in this sort of condition for the price? You're not. So we expect these little blemishes like extra cotton. Scissors will soon sort that out, but you expect things like that. These are not obviously the real deal, but they look very, very good. And I just thought actually if I push in, look, now you can see how see-through the material is. So if you've got tattoos or anything on your back, then you're probably going to want to wear something else under it. Otherwise, they will be quite visible. And there is our Rangers away shirt from 92-94. An absolutely amazing looking shirt, this one. Brings back so many memories for me. I really do like the look of this one. Like I said, for me, it was the McEwen's lager, following who Blackburn was sponsored by back in 95, that really made me like this shirt. So if you are new around here and you've enjoyed this content, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. In the description of this video, I will leave a link to my dhgate seller, my usual seller. I don't know if it'll be for this item exactly. If not, I will leave it for one of their other items. Obviously, then you can go and find other ones that they have in stock. But yeah, this is an absolute beast. Really, really do like this one. There's your final look of this Rangers away shirt from 92-94. Yeah, do love it. Do love it. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.